What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video today. As you can see by the title of the video, we are going to be taking a look at KISHU INU. This is one of those coins that has been going absolutely insane recently. We're going to take a look at the market cap, the price. We're going to do some comparisons to Shiba Inu, which has also been going absolutely insane. We'll take a look at the Twitter page, the Etherscan, the coin market cap, all sorts of things, and we'll talk about it generally as well. So if you're new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family of investors. Go ahead and throw a like on this video. Let's get it out to more people so we can continue to grow this channel. And please comment down below about either KISHU INU or any other cryptocurrency that you are into. You never know. That could be the next video that I do on the channel. Before we get started, last but not least, folks, a huge shout out to Webull. I am an official Webull affiliate. This is the way it works, guys. If you really want to help out the channel, I have a Webull affiliate link. First link in the description below. If you sign up for a Webull account between now and the end of May, you get 2 free stocks. The first one, just for opening an account, guys, all the way valued all the way up to $250 potentially. And if you take that account and deposit just $100 into that account that you can use for trading or buy cryptocurrencies, you can now buy crypto on Webull, you can get stocks valued all the way up to $1,600. So just for making an account, up to $250, deposit $100, up to $1,600. The minimum you can get is $10.50. I've never seen anybody get stocks that low, but it is, it is possible. So you can take that 10 bucks and you can even put it in KISHU INU or Shiba Inu, whatever you want to put it into. Of course, you're going to have to take it out of Webull if you want to invest in these two. Let's talk about this. Little meme, big dream. The ticker symbol for this guy is KISHU, a community-focused, decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for holders. Join the moon mission. What is KISHU? We're not going to get into this in particular, but I do want to talk about how to buy KISHU because it is kind of a big deal. First, you got to create a MetaMask wallet. If you're watching this video, you probably know how to do that. You send Ether to that MetaMask wallet, and then you go to KISHU Swap and then swap your Ether for KISHU. So this isn't one that you have to go to one of those decentralized exchanges. You don't gotta go to, Pancake Swap. You don't got to go to 1inch or Uniswap or any of that. You can do this directly on KISHU Swap. So this is pretty big news in my opinion compared to some of the other tokens where you have to buy them on these decentralized exchanges. This makes things a lot easier for us because we can buy it directly through MetaMask, through their website. So it makes things a lot easier, and I think that this is going to give KISHU a leg up when it comes to trying to get in new investors. Not only that, but keep investors coming because it's not going to be all convoluted the way that we buy this token. Let's keep on scrolling down here and talk about the tokenomics. We already talked about the ticker symbol. 100 quadrillion is the total supply. 2% rewards per transaction, so you get rewarded just for holding KISHU. The current prices you see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Holy crap. And the market cap, as you can see very clearly here, almost $1 billion, and the holders are absolutely staggering, 123,000 holders. So what is going on with KISHU in terms of the hype? So I always like to look at the most visited or most viewed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, and Shiba Inu is sitting at a very healthy number 9 here. Okay, folks, so we are in the top 10. If we get into the top 5, that's when things really start happening, in my opinion. That's when moves are really made. But sitting here at the top 10, very healthy. I'm very excited to see this coin up here in the top 10. And for full transparency, guys, I am not invested in KISHU INU just yet. I have plans on investing in some of these other coins in the near future, but as of right now, I'm just making this video to get my thoughts and opinions out there. So I told you guys that we were going to compare KISHU INU to Shiba Inu. Before I do that, what I really quickly want to take a look at is the price action, how this thing has been moving. So similar to KISHU INU, similar to Shiba Inu, this thing in the middle or beginning of May, towards the middle of May, maybe a little bit later than Shiba, has been going absolutely insane. We saw this huge run up and then a slight correction, another crazy run up right here, and now we are on the downtrend. That is the all chart. Here's what we're looking like on the 7-day chart. Again, we're just kind of riding up and down here. If we go ahead and take a look at the 1-day chart, it's really no different. We just see that big bump that we saw earlier. So guys, whenever I'm taking a look at a coin like this, and people are always asking me, when's the next 100x coming? When's the next 10x coming? Or whatever. When's the next 5x coming? Even. Whenever I take a look at a coin like this, that it's in its infancy, the market cap isn't huge, but it's good enough. I always tell the people and of course, this is not financial advice, folks. This is just what I like to do. These are the moves that I make. Whenever I see consolidation, solid consolidation, that's whenever I'm excited about a coin. Whenever it's either on a downward trend or an upward trends, I get more worried than anything because I'm like, okay, when is this thing going to start dipping? And downward trends, I always see them as buying opportunities, just in my opinion. Whenever we start finding areas of support and consolidation, that's when I'm like, okay, we have some stability here and we have the potential to shoot way up. Of course, we can also go down depending on what the volume looks like, news and catalysts, but at the same time, I always look for those areas of consolidation. So, can this thing catch up to Shiba Inu? You guys are probably looking at the price and you're like, yeah, this thing can catch up to Shiba Inu probably in like no time at all. But something that you always have to keep in mind, folks, whenever you're looking at these coins is the diluted market cap or just the market cap. So we're sitting at almost a $1 billion market cap, okay? So with, of course, I'm not really taking into account token burn right now or anything like that. I'm just looking at the market cap straight up. This thing has a $6.2 billion market cap. Obviously, we got Bitcoin down here, but $6.2 billion market cap, that is quite extensive, which means that if KISHU INU catches up to Shiba, the pretty much the maximum that it can go, if it just catches up to current levels right now, that is around a 6x, maybe a little bit more than a 6x because we're not sitting at a $1 billion market cap so far. That being said, I'm not saying that we can't potentially explode like we did back here. I'm not saying that we can't have another one of these run-ups, but whenever you're comparing these two tokens or any two tokens, I wouldn't really recommend looking at the price because that can be a little bit misleading and make you think that we have a long ways to run. You always have to look at the market cap and determine whether or not this thing can catch up to another token or coin's market cap, and that's how you determine what this thing is going to do. Let's go ahead and look at the Etherscan. 130,000 holders. Holy crap. And it's growing steadily. If we just take a look at the small chart here, this thing is growing in a pretty linear fashion. It's always good to see coins that are running in that direction, just a straight linear fashion. And of course, we have the Twitter page. Guys, the thing I love most about these communities is that they're so tight knit and they're always posting new updates on their Twitter, on their Telegram, Reddit, everywhere. And that's what I like about these communities, super tight knit. So if you're ever interested in getting more information about Kishu, whether that be, here we go right here, new listing on exchanges, whether that be here we go, another listing on an exchange, rebrand. So yeah, I did want to mention this. They will be rebranding their current logo on all their social media platform and updating it across every exchange. The new logo will be similar to the one in billboards in NYC. And if you scroll down here, you're gonna see what I'm talking about when it comes to these billboards. So Kishu absolutely took over New York City, and all over the billboards you saw stuff like this. So this is what their new logo is going to look like, or something similar to that, which I am a big fan of. If you look at the logo right now, it's just a little bit lackluster. So I think that new one is going to be a little bit more lively. I think it'll gain some more traction. And again, just a bunch of updates. I would seriously consider scrolling through the Twitter page just to gain a little bit of confidence about what's going on. Here's the NYC takeover. You see all these billboards. Kishu is everywhere in NYC. That was just a couple of days ago on May 13th. So this thing is gaining a lot of traction. I think this is a great way for marketing. Really a place in the United States that has a lot of traction, a place that gets a lot of people that are walking by. And so this is great for marketing to be able to look up and be like, hey, these things are on the billboards. So very, very cool, the things that KISHU INU is doing. And of course, we can't forget to mention the fact that this guy right here, Tyler J. Cameron, is on board and he is a part of the Kishu community. Go ahead and watch this video to gain a little bit more confidence, like I said before. So a lot going on with this cryptocurrency, guys. Is it going to catch up to Shiba Inu? I think if we continue on the trajectory, it is very possible. Shiba Inu has kind of been on a downwards trend recently, even though it has a crazy, crazy volume and a crazy market cap. But this thing could potentially catch up, and I think it can even go beyond that. So, we're not necessarily trying to play catch up here. In the world of cryptocurrency, me personally, as a fan of cryptocurrency, I'm not looking for one to be on top. I am just looking for a winner. You know what I mean? Like, I just want cryptocurrency to win in general. I'm not trying to bet on one or the other. I just want to see this whole thing as a whole become a winner. So, guys, please, please, please be careful when investing in any of these cryptocurrencies I talk about on my channel. These are very risky plays, obviously. So only risk what you only invest what you are willing to lose. Please go out, do your own research about anything I talk about on this channel. Obviously, I am not a financial advisor by any means, just some guy on YouTube that likes to share his thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the crypto and stock communities. I think this thing has potential, folks, but only time will tell. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts and opinions about any of the cryptocurrencies you are invested in right now, whether that be Kishu, Shiba, or anything in between. Let me know. Throw a like on this video, subscribe if you're new around here. Last but not least, if you watched all the way to the end, please, that Webull affiliate link is down in the description below. The best way you can help out this channel is by clicking it, signing up for Webull, depositing $100. You get some free stocks. It really helps me out. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out. Peace.